I'm Leona Matuszak. I'm an artist, art workshop facilitator and creativity coach from London in the UK. I have over a decade of experience teaching adults and children art and creativity in my workshops, classes, events and programs. I have seen hundreds of people who are dissatisfied with their careers, in jobs they don't like and whose creative dreams have been abandoned. Creating a living from doing what I love has always been my top priority. When I finally put this commitment and a plan into action, loads of opportunities came, even when I didn't expect them. The key to this was developing a strong mindset, so even when things didn't work out, I never gave up. Do you have a creative passion or hobby that you are eager to turn into a full-time living, but not sure where to start? Or are you at the beginning of your creative career, want to create more and get paid for what you do? If you answered yes to either of those questions, I can help you transform your life and start creating it on your terms today. I have created an online video course in which I share with you the exact methods that I use to create the life exactly how I want it. And this video course is called How to Make a Living Doing What You Love. This course is a practical step-by-step beginner's guide that gives you all the tools you need to create a life that you are most passionate about. For 21 days, you'll be sent a video every day along with some journal assignments or action steps to take based on the content of the video. The program is divided into 3 weeks. On days 1 to 7, you'll learn about the fundamentals of creativity and set the foundation in which your creative life can flourish. From days 8 to 14, you'll learn how to move through the most common blocks and barriers that we all need to conquer as creative people. And from days 15 to 21, you'll discover the essential practical elements that will propel you into making a living from doing what you love. Along with the 21 videos, you'll also receive 2 guided visualizations and some visual PDFs too. So, are you ready to experience true happiness and fulfillment in your life? And are you ready to start creating a living doing what you love? If so, then click on the link below, enroll on the course, and I can't wait to see you there.